welcome to my YouTube channel Ravella Design. Today I'm going to show you how we are going to crochet these beautiful cup coasters, mug coasters. It is really very beautiful. I made them in different colors. It's like spring flowers. It's so beautiful, dear friends. The pattern is also very easy. I will explain everything in detail. For this reason, even the beginners can easily going to make when we come to the end of the video. As you also see here, for each coaster I use two different colors. In this project I'm going to use this color and also the white color. We need the scissors to cut the yarn. Okay, dear friends, that's all we need for this project. Let's go on how to make this. Meanwhile, please remember to subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos for my future video tutorials. Thank you so much for your support. Let's go on how to make this. We are taking our yarn in our hand. We are starting by magic ring, like this. I am doing magic ring in this way, making 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over. We are making a double crochet in the ring. We are going to make 12 double crochet on this ring. We are considering this first 3 chains as the first double crochet. Now I made 2 double crochet now, and I will go on making double crochets in this ring. It's been 3, it's been 4, like this. It will be totally 12 double crochet, dear friends. I completed 12 double crochet considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. It's been 12, like this, dear friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I am pulling this yarn end, pulling it tightly. There is no space now in the middle. I am taking my yarn again in my hand and I am inserting my hook on the top of the first 3 chains, like this, making a slip stitch. Now we finished our first row. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, like this. I am making a yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the same place, and in this same chain now we have 2 double crochet, considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. In this stitch now we have 2 double crochet, yarn over. I am going to the following. I am skipping this because we have already 2. I am going to the following stitch and making 2 more double crochet in the same space, yarn over, going to the following stitch, making 2 more double crochet in this stitch. Well, I made 1, I am making the second, yarn over, going to the following stitch and making 2 double crochet in this stitch. This is 1 and I am making the second in the same stitch. Dear friends, like this we are making 2 double crochets in each stitch and we are coming to the end. Here we are coming here. We are making 2 double crochet here in this stitch, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. Like this we are coming to the end. When we count all the double crochets till the end, there will be totally 24 double crochets. Okay, dear friends, let's finish all the double crochets till the end. I finished all the double crochets. I came to the end. I counted all the double crochets, also considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. Now I have totally 24 double crochet on the second row. Now, dear friends, I am inserting my hook at top of the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch. I finished the second row completely, like this. Now we are on the third row, dear friends. We are making 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over. I am inserting my hook in the same stitch and making the second double crochet in the same stitch, yarn over. I am going to the following stitch and making 2 more double crochet in this stitch as well. This is 1. This is 2. Look, like this, yarn over. I am going to the following stitch and making 2 double crochet in this stitch. This is 1. This is 2. Like this, we are completing this row, dear friends. When we come to the end, there will be totally 48 double crochets. Let's make 2 double crochet in each stitch, 2 here, 2 here, 2 here, 2, and like this, come to the end, complete 48 double crochets. I finished this. I am making 1 chain and cutting the yarn. I am taking a small size hook for hiding the yarn. In the back side, I am hiding it. I am making a knot to the yarn end in the center. Once again, I will make another knot. I am cutting. I am hiding the last yarn end with the small size hook. The center of the coaster is finished like this. Now I am taking my white yarn in my hand. I am inserting my hook in any stitch. I am fixing my white yarn like this. 1, 2, 3 chains I am making. After making 3 chains, I am making yarn over and I am making another double crochet in the same stitch. Like this. Now I am making 2 chains, inserting my hook in the same stitch, making a double crochet, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same stitch and making another double crochet. It's been like this. Making 1 chain, yarn over, 1, 2, 3 stitch. I am skipping this 1, 2, 3 stitch, inserting my hook in the 4th stitch, and I am making a double crochet, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same stitch, making a double crochet. Now I am making 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same stitch and making 2 double crochet. This is 1 and making another double crochet. This is 2. Now I am making 1 chain, 1, 2, 3 stitch, skipping, inserting my hook in the 4th stitch and making a double crochet, yarn over, making another double crochet in the same stitch, and now I am making 2 chains, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same stitch and making a double crochet, yarn over, inserting my hook in the same stitch making another double crochet, 1 chain, yarn over, 1, 2, 3 stitch, skipping, inserting my hook in the same stitch, and we are crocheting the same pattern like this. We are making the same what we did here, dear friends. Yes, dear friends, like this we are completing this row, coming to the end, repeating the same things as I explained to you. Let's finish this row like this, dear friends. I came to the end of this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are totally 12 patterns like this, dear friends. Now I am inserting my hook at top of the first double crochet, making a slip stitch, and completely finishing this row. I will go to the center of this. For this reason, inserting my hook in the following stitch, making a slip stitch, coming here in the center, making a slip stitch. By slip stitches I came to the center of these 2 double crochets, center of the 2 double crochets, dear friends, here. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3, like this. Yarn over. I am going to make 3 double crochet in the center. This is 1. I am considering the first 3 chains as the first double crochet. This is 2, and this is 3. Inserting my hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, making a double crochet and making another double crochet, making another double crochet. First of all, we made 3 double crochet, and then we made 2 chain, and then 3 double crochet again in the same space here. Now I am making 1 chain. Between these patterns, we are making 1 chain, 1 chain, 1 chain. For this reason, I made 1 chain going to the center of the following one, and making 3 double crochet first, 1, 2, and 3. Making 2 chains, yarn over, inserting our hook in the same space, making 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. 1 chain, going to the following, making 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, making 2 chains, and then making 3 more in the same space. This is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Like this. We are making 1 chain and going to the other. Like this, we are completing this round, dear friends. I completed this round as well. I am making 1 chain, inserting my hook at top of the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, and I will come to the center of this stitches, dear friends. For this reason, I am inserting my hook in the following stitch, making a slip stitch. I am going to the following stitch and making a slip stitch. I am going to the center and making a slip stitch. With slip stitches, I came to the center. Now I am making 3 chains, 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over. I am considering this first 3 chains as the first double crochet, and considering this 3 chains as the first double crochet. I'm going to make 4 double crochet in this space. This is 1. I am making the second double crochet. I am making the third double crochet. I am making the fourth double crochet, like this. I am making 2 chains, 1, 2, yarn over. I am going to make 4 more double crochet in the same space. This is double crochet 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, like this. First of all we made 4, and then we made 2 chain, then we made 4 more double crochet. Now making 1 chain, making a double crochet, and making the second one, the third one, and the fourth one, making 2 chains and making 4 more double crochet in the same space. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4, making 1 chain, yarn over, going to the center of the other stitch and making a double crochet. We are going to repeat this one till the end of the row. We are repeating. First of all we are making 4 double crochet and then 2 chains and then 4 double crochet, and between these patterns we are making 1 chain here, and like this we are coming to the end. Meanwhile, if you see it is curling, it is no problem, dear friends. When we finish this, from the back side we press steam from the iron and we will iron it with, we will shape it with our hands, and it's going to be like this. These were also a bit curling like this, but later on I ironed them and you see they are really very beautiful, very neatly. For this reason, if it curls a bit, no matter, it's not a problem. Okay, let's complete this round as I explained here, dear friends. I came to the end of this row, dear friends. I made 1 chain. Now I am inserting my hook at the top of the first double crochet, yarn over, pull through, making a slip stitch, and after making slip stitch, I am going to the following stitch and making another slip stitch in there, going to the following, making another slip stitch in there, going to the following space and making another slip stitch in there, making 1 chain, and in this center I am cutting the yarn. Okay, it is finished, dear friends. Now we are going to crochet these purple stitches. For this one I am going to use the green color that I made the center. I am taking my green color in my hand. We are starting in the center of anyone in this round. Here we can start. We are going to fix the green yarn firstly. I am making a single stitch. I am hiding this also when crocheting. Now I am going to the following stitch here, making a single stitch in there, going to the following stitch, making a single stitch, going to the following stitch, making a single stitch, going to the other one and making another single stitch. in the center we made one single stitch, and then we made on these double crochets 1 2 3 4 single stitches. Now we are at top. In this space we are making 3 single stitch. I am also keeping this at top in order to hide it. This is 1 single crochet, this is second, and this is the third one. And I am going to the other double crochets one by one. I am going to make single stitches. It is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. And I am making 1 single stitch in the center, like this. Now we are going to make these stitches, dear friends. This we made here, we are going to make this. We are making 3 chains, 1 2 3. Now let me show you slowly. I am inserting my hook from back to front like this. Yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch. 1 2 3 chains. We are doing the same thing. Let me show once again. From front to back, from back to front, like this. And then yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch. 1 2 3 chains. Now you see 1 2 3 stitches here with the green one. I am skipping this one. I will use the stitch in the front, from back to front, like this. And yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, making 1 chain. There is another stitch here, you see. I used the stitch in the front, but there is another stitch. I am inserting my hook from front to back, like this, making a single stitch. What we did, we finished the stitch from up to down. We made 1 chain, we made a single stitch. Now we are turning to up. For this reason, after making single stitch, making 3 chains, 1 2 and 3. This time from front, back, and then front. Yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch. 1 2 3 chains, from front, back, from back to front. Yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch. 1 2 3. I'm going up from front to back. I am inserting my hook, and then yarn over, pull through, and making a single stitch. We finished these stitches between this pattern, dear friends. Now we are going to make 4 single stitches on this block. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Now we are in the center. We are making 3 single stitches in the center. 1 2 and 3. on this block we are making 4 single stitches. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. And in the center we are making 1 more single stitch. This is 1 and 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. Now we are going to make the first line of these stitches, and then we are going to turn back to the other. Now after making 3 chains from front to back and then to front, we are inserting our hook, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, 1, 2, 3 chains. After making 3 chains, we are doing the same thing from front to back and then to front again. We are inserting our hook, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, 1, 2, 3 chains. There are 3 stitches here, 1, 2 and 3. I am inserting my hook in the front, not this one, not this one. I'm using this stitch in the front. For this reason, inserting my hook to back and then to front like this, and yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, 1 chain. Now we are going to go up. We finished the line up to down, and then I made 1 chain. I am going to the chain beside the chain near the center. This is the center chain, this is the one beside it. I am inserting my hook on this like this, from front to back, and then yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, 1, 2, 3 chains I'm making, and from front to back I'm inserting my hook, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, 1, 2, 3 chains I'm making, yarn over, pull through like this, 1, 2, 3 chains, going to the up, inserting my hook from front to back, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch. And now I am going to make 4 single stitch on this block, 1, 2, 3 and 4. I am making 3 single stitch in this block, 1, 2, 3. I am making 4 single stitch on this block as well, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Inserting one single stitch between these blocks like this, and I am going to make the lines here as I did. It's been like this, dear friends. It is really very easy. In the same way we are repeating on all blocks, and we are coming to the end. Let's make all the blocks with these lines, with these single stitches, and also with the lines, and complete it. Always you are going to repeat what I explained to you here and here. Okay, dear friends, let's complete this one. I came to the end of the row with these green stitches. If your crochet is curling as mine, it's no problem, dear friends. As I told you, we are going to turn it back, and we are going to press steam on it. We are going to shape it with our hands. It will be very neatly. It's no problem. Now I will tell you how I am going to finish it. I came to the end. I am inserting my hook in this space and making a single stitch, making 1, 2, 3 chains from front to back, inserting my hook and yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, 1 2 3 chains. The same thing I am doing, inserting my hook from front to back and then from back to front, and yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, 1 2 3 chains. Again we made these 2 and we are going to insert our hook in the front, yarn over, pull through, single stitch, 1 chain. We are going to go to the up for this reason. After making 1 chain, inserting my hook in the stitch beside the other one, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, 1 2 3 chains, from front to back and then front again, 1 2 3 chains. We are in the front, from front to back I am inserting my hook and then back to front. Later on, yarn over, pull through, make a single stitch, 1 2 3 chains, from front to back, yarn over, pull through, making a single stitch, making 1 chain, and we are cutting the yarn like this, dear friends. Now I am going to hide the yarn ends. I am taking a small size hook in my hand. I am turning back. I am taking this yarn end to the back side, and between the stitches in the back side I am hiding this one, inserting my hook in the green stitch, yarn over, pull through with the help of the small size hook. A few times I am doing this, and then turning back. Once again I am going to do it, and cutting the yarn. We are going to hide this yarn end also. I am cutting the other small yarn ends. Okay, hide all the yarn ends, dear friends, and I will show you the ironed version of this one. Yes, dear friends, I ironed the coaster. You see how neatly they look. There is no curling, there is no stretching part. It is very neatly. I cleaned all the yarn ends in the back side. It is really beautiful. Dear friends, we came to the end of another project video. I'm so happy to work this project with you. It is really very nice. You can make this bigger and bigger if you want to make a placemat doily. For example, you learn how to increase these sides 2 3 4 5 like this. In the same way you can increase the blocks and you can make it bigger and bigger, but it is okay for me and it is very nice. I will go on sharing this kind of video tutorials, dear friends. I will be very happy if you subscribe my YouTube channel, activate the info bell in order to be informed about my future video tutorials. And if you like this video, please leave like remarks and make comments and share my videos, dear friends. Thank you so much. See you in the coming videos.